Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So there is nothing more basically hard than telling Alexa to play your favorite song and getting a response like I'm having trouble playing that, or I can't find that song, or worst of all, complete silence. So since Alexa and Amazon Music are both Amazon products, they usually work perfectly together. But when they don't, it can be maddening. So the good news is most of these issues are simple to fix. In today's small tutorial, I will walk you through the most common causes and solutions for when Alexa refuses to play your Amazon Music. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you want to check our default music service. Open the Alexa app on your phone, tap More in the bottom right, go through Settings, Music and Podcasts. Under Default Services, make sure Amazon Music is selected. Not another app like Deezer or even Spotify. Make sure Amazon Music is selected. If another service is set as default, Alexa will always try to use that instead, which can cause more errors. You should also check your Amazon account on Echo. Make sure it's registered to the same Amazon account that has your Music Unlimited or Prime subscription in. So in the Alexa app, we want to go to Devices, Account Alexa, select our device, then check the registered user. If it's not you, deregister and basically register it to the correct account. Then check your voice history. Make sure the voice comment was totally correct. Sometimes she just mishears, which can be valid. You can then restart your Echo device or even check your Wi-Fi network. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.